Hi, for this tutorial, I will teach you how to paint an easy rose. For the background, I will use purple at the top, titanium white in the middle, and way down to the flesh color. If you don't have flesh color, you can mix the lemon, yellow, red, and white. If you don't have lemon yellow, just mix yellow and a little bit of blue. Back to our background, I am brushing it on a circular motion and let it dry. After drying, let's move on to our rose. I'm mixing brilliant red, lemon yellow, and titanium white. And I want to form two semicircles. One small circle at the top, and that will be the center of the opening of our rose. And one big circle at the bottom for the petals. In here, I want the opening of my rose facing the right side, and the second rose facing the left side. Without washing your brush, we can add some red to highlight the opening of the flower. With the same brush, let's mix a little bit of blue, red, yellow, and white for a darker shade of our outline to make some petals. And for the shadow effect, I mix red and a little bit of black. By the way, in this tutorial, I'm using only one brush for the whole roses, a flat brush. Again, for the petals, I added some yellow and white and apply it around the opening of the flower. Don't worry if it doesn't look like a rose yet. Just keep on adding some paint. For me, there's no right or wrong in art. Just do it over and over until you are satisfied. And now I'm using white to reveal the petals, and I'm using my fingers to blend it towards the opening of the flower. Then again, make a second layer, blend it, then repeat it once again for the last layer. Don't be afraid to blend it with your fingers. Blending it with your finger doesn't mean you're ruining your piece, but instead it will make your work more smoother. But if you're using oil paint, don't use your finger or don't let it contact to your skin. Let's go back. I want to add some red again for the opening of the flowers and for the shadows using my finger. Oh, anyways, acrylic paint is a water-based medium and water-soluble and non-toxic, so just soap and wash your hands after painting. Now let's put some white and blend it again. It really doesn't look like a flower now. It came out a piece of strawberry cake. You don't need to worry or think, oh, what am I doing? It's not even look like a flower. Don't give up. We're not done yet. Now let's move on to our leaves. I'm mixing yellow, blue, and black to make a darker shade of green and a little bit of white. And now for a lighter green, I added some white, blue, and the yellow. I feel like I want to put some green around our subject to come out the richness of our roses. As you can see, I'm only using my finger and I put a little bit of water on it. Yes, moving on to our last step. I'm putting some white and red to divide the section of our petals. Let's add the rose bed in here using a red color. I'm mixing some yellow, white, and red for the outer layer. You want to make the outer side lighter so it doesn't look like flat and put some leaves. Thank you for watching and God bless.